No sugar, no oil, no butter. But look at this brownie. Let's mix the dry ingredients first. 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm chopping some almonds and pista for mixing into the batter. Mix 2 tablespoons of nuts. Mix the dry ingredients together. Now take 1 ripe banana and mash it well. Mash it without any larger lumps. Take an egg, mix it well. Add banana and egg paste to the dry ingredients. Half cup of date paste. Batter consistency should look like this. If needed, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Shift to a baking tray and bake for 10 to 12 minutes first. If you want to add some nuts on top, you can add it now. I'm just using a cookie cutter and making a heart shape. And bake for 10 to 12 minutes more and your healthy brownie is ready. Save this recipe and subscribe for more homemade healthy recipes.